समाजकार्याचे एक किंवा सोशल वर्क जेका आमी म्हणटा सामाजीक जे आमी काम करता तें हांवें ल्हानपणाच्यान केल्लें आसा. आनी जेन्ना आमी फॅमिली राज म्हणटा तेन्ना डायरेक्ट हांव कितें एसेंब्लीची टिकेट मागना. I have been elected unopposed as punch member of Old Goa Village Panchayat. I have been elected as Jilla Panchayat with highest number of votes, margin म्हाका highest आशिल्लें. I have been the president of North Goa Jilla Panchayat. पार्टेच्या हेजेर तशें म्हणपाक गेलें जाल्यार I was state general secretary of युवा मोर्चा. Then मंडळ अध्यक्ष of कुंभारजुआ constituency. In 2015, I have been the national executive member of BJYM, Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, when Anurag Thakur was national president. आणि हे सगळें करता आसतना and after that I was appointed as state secretary of BJP. Now I am the state media convener of BJP Goa.
So Siddesh Babu, you are trying to say that you have carved a niche and you have maintained a separate identity away from your father's.
Exactly.